I've analyzed thousands of failed reunion attempts, and this one behavior shows up in almost every case where the ex stays away. When an ex loses attraction for you, that is overall excitement about the whole dynamic, not just like physical attraction, they are going to come up with rationalizations for why they're feeling this way and kind of set up a lot of hurdles for you that you're going to want to jump over. And all of these hurdles are sort of based in the mind. They're going to say, oh, it's this reason, it's that reason. It's all these things that can't be solved because you have a low level of excitement about the relationship. So you're immediately going to go into your brain and you're going to try to logic them into, jumping these hurdles. You're going to say, they're going to put this thing up, that thing up, and you're going to be like, oh, but this, but that. And logically, that solves the problem, but that's not the real problem. The hurdles that they're putting up are not the actual problems. The actual problem that you have is that there's a low level of excitement about the potential relationship, and you can't solve that through logic. So the behavior that you don't want to repeat, that everyone else is repeating, that's causing them to fail with their exes, is trying to talk their ex back into the relationship. So if it were possible to use logic to create attraction, that means like software engineers and fucking chess champions would just be crushing it in the nightclub, right? Crushing. But we know that's not how it works. Okay? So don't be fooled. It's very deceptive what's happening, right? They're giving you reasons as to why they're pulling away. And those were probably frustrations in the relationship. But what you don't understand is the things that are happening are sort of like adding up into this mood. And that mood needs to be addressed emotionally, not logically. See, and then when I say that, your brain goes to, oh, that means I need to write them a letter and profess my feelings. Well, how does that add into the mood? No, that only works when you're in a committed relationship where they kind of respect the devotion that you have. But in the dating world, devotion actually just means that you're a chump. So if you want to learn how to change their mood, not their mind, comment or DM the word Benny, sign up for a call with me, and I'll talk to you soon.